View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Broomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Boom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy family.
It's a very rainy day today. Puddles start to appear on the ground.
Puddles. Huh. What can we do while it's raining so much? What's so funny? You can't play. Crybaby, you're the crybaby. No, you are the crybaby.
While Broomy and Vroomy are busy arguing, the rain has stopped.
Look, we can go outside. Veo, beep, beep.
Puddles!
1, 2, 3, go! Puddles. Big, deep puddles. Huh? 1, 2, 3, go! Puddles. Hey, look! Veo. I'm a cop. I will catch the bad guy. Whoa! Stop! Police! Veo. Veo.
Broomy is all dirty. Now Broomy is chased by a bearded cop. Oh no! Broomy is in trouble. She is stuck in a big, deep puddle.
Quick, let's help.
Oh no! Now Broomy is stuck.
Why are you always playing cop? Now you need to become a tow truck. A tow truck. Yeah.
Plumey drives to the garage. He's going to find everything he needs to turn himself into a tow truck. Wise Grandpa Ladle knows it's not a good idea to leave Plumie alone with his tools. He needs to keep an eye on him.
A shovel.
The little dump truck imagined Broomy pulling himself out of the puddle with a shovel. Plumie, it's a blower. That's not what you need to help.
What kind of snowman is this?
Plumie! And now Plumie wants to be a tow truck.
Hey! A great idea! Yum, yum, yum. Let's go to my auto repair shop. Here's a hook for you. Now you can be a tow truck.
At last, now Tow Truck Plumie and Grandpa Ladle can rescue Vroomy and Broomy.
Vroomy!
Attention! You need to grab the hook. Tow truck, time to pull.
Pull harder.
Well done, Plumie.
My little brother is the best tow truck.
Plumie feels so very proud of himself.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Boom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy family.
This is Vroomy. What an interesting bathroom she has, like something from a sweet fairy tale.
It works! Again! More candy!
Is Vroomy really full? Yes, she's full, but it's a shame to just leave that candy.
They're so delicious! A bucket!
Unbelievable! Vroomy has decided to shovel all the candy into this little bucket.
And more, and more, and more, and more, and more, and Wowie!
Where did you get all that candy?
More, and more! The shower!
What?
Look, you put just one candy in here. And from here, a load more come out.
One. Oi. Yum, 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 yum. So much. Oh, I wonder if it works with gummy candies, too.
Just 1 minute.
Vroomy has come to the kitchen to find some gummy bears and gummy worms.
Try them. It's raining candy!
There's something not quite right about these candies.
I wonder if...
Oh no! Broomy wants to have a toy car shower.
Vroomy! Vroomy! Where's my racing car? Vroomy! Vroomy! Vroomy!
Now it makes sense. It wasn't actually a fairy tale bathroom. The candy shower was all in Vroomy's dreams.
Vroomy! Where's my toy racing car?
I don't know. But just now you wanted to use it for a car shower.
What?
A car shower.
Oh no! Vroomy is about to suggest a very bad game to her brother.
You just put your toy car right in there and wait. Come on. Just try it. Or let's make candy rain instead.
Yeah, they'll have lots of candy.
What?
There's nothing.
Let's try turning on the water.
What is going on here?
But Vroomy said that if you put a car in there,
It will block the drain. The water has nowhere to flow out. Sweetie!
Ah! All right.
You must never throw anything into the draining system. Didn't you know that?
We wanted a candy shower.
and a car shower.
Oh,
We have candy in the kitchen. And your toy cars are in their parking lot, Broomy. And if you see some fun rain
We do.
or shower, then come with me.
Yeah.
Hey.
And Ploomy too.
Wise Grandpa Ladle brought the kids to a water park.
This is the funniest shower in the world.
After that, Broomy and Vroomy never tried to make candy showers or toy car shower. They simply came to enjoy themselves at the water park.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Broomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Boom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy family.
Ice cream!
Broomy! What are you...
Rumi, don't interfere. I'm testing the echo. It repeats everything. Absolutely everything. Completely correct. Check it out. Ice cream! Ice cream!
We need to go inside.
Yeah, maybe it's even funnier in there.
The Wheelzy kids headed to the cave. They decided that this trip will probably be really fun. It's dark in the cave. Vroomy and Broomy turn on their headlights. Ploomy has decided, just in case, not to enter the cave. There's a shadow on the cave wall.
Goodness!
Roomy's a scaredy cat.
I just wasn't expecting it. Now it's my turn. Oh.
I wonder if Broomy can guess what his sister is showing on the wall.
Wow, a goat.
Broomy, you're the... He does it like this.
The goat's teeth chatter from the cold.
That's it. I'm not playing with you anymore.
Vroomy's upset now.
Roomy! Hey, Roomy! Don't be mad. Come on, it's funny.
Maybe. Just a little.
Huh? That's not me.
Broomy! Broomy, take me away from here!
Understood.
Vroomy got very scared. She even closed her eyes in fear. It turned out that finding a way out of the labyrinth is not easy.
It seems that way.
Oh, I found it!
Huh?
Here comes Ploomy. Just in case, he called Grandpa for help.
Roomy, we're here!
Goodness.
Well, well. What did you get scared of?
There's a horned monster there.
A minotaur?
What? Minotaur! Minotaur! Come out! What?
Hey. Hey.
Well, cool! Can I?
Ploomy will share.
Okay. Little car, don't be afraid of me. I don't bite.
Oh, you.
It wasn't me. It was Ploomy.
Minotaur.
Oh.
But if the spider is not a minotaur,
Hey?
then what does a minotaur look like?
How did it look? Like a bull, but on 2 legs. The ancient Greeks came up with it.
Phew, pretty scary.
Yes, and they also came up with him taking people for lunch. And he lived in an underground maze.
Yeah, it's hard to get out of mazes.
We almost got lost.
You know, you can walk to the very far end of the labyrinth
Huh?
and then just come back safely.
How?
You'll be Ariadne, the daughter of the king of Crete. This is your thread.
Ariadne's thread.
And you'll be Theseus, the hero who defeated the Minotaur.
Yeah.
Take the ball of yarn and go ahead. Then you can come back along the thread, like along a road marking.
Easy peasy. Forward to defeat the Minotaur.
Bloomy will come too.
If there are adults nearby, Bloomy stops being afraid.
Oh, wow!
Plumie, we found him.
It's a Minotaur piñata.
Help me out.
If you break the piñata, it will explode with candies.
Grandpa Ladle, they need help.
Oh, but aren't you scared?
No, I must go. Surrender, Minotaur! Surrender!
It worked! Candies, chocolate eggs, and caramel sticks fell out of the piñata.
Oh, how glad I am to see you there. I was starting to think that you couldn't defeat my Minotaur.